Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool made model right here, and basically what this is a cordless vacuum, and it's from this brand right here. So this is the newest cordless vacuum. If you can see, this is actually what it looks like right here. If you see on top right here, they provide you guys an instruction to teach you guys how to use the product. But first thing first, let's actually open the product to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright. So when you guys first open up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So first thing you can see inside, they do provide the user manual right here. And they also provide you guys a little mini brush that you can use to clean off the product if you guys need to. Right underneath that, you can see they provide you guys this little brush option right here. And this one's actually really cool because they give you guys the option to use this, or you can push it down like this. And then use like a brush option right here, which is pretty cool. And then when you guys don't want to use this, just push the button and push it back. And it's all set. So pretty easy to use this part right here. Next thing inside, you can see they do provide you guys the extra filter if you guys need to replace it. And next thing you see right here, they do provide the cable that you want to use to recharge the product. And then obviously, if it's your first time using the product, you definitely want to recharge it first and fully charge it before you guys use it. And then last but not least, we have the actual product right here. And that's basically everything that's inside the package. Alright, so when we take it off from the wrap here, you see that this is basically what the product looks like. So basically on the top part here, that is where to plug in the cable to recharge it. And right here, we can see something is taped up. And basically what that is a power button to activate the product. So you definitely want to remove that when you guys first use it. Alright, so you see that is basically what it looks like. So that's the red button here, you want to press to activate it. And then the bottom right here is basically the suction cup area. So we open it up. You can see that this is basically what it looks like. So definitely really cool how they actually provide you guys a cap to actually cover up the actual vacuum itself, which is pretty cool. But this is basically what the product looks like, if you can see right here. So for this vacuum right here, it's very compact. If you can see, it's not like very bulky or big or anything. So you basically put this almost anywhere. So whether you guys want to put it in the kitchen, your living room, your car, as long as you guys have the outlet to actually recharge it in the back right here, then you should be fine. But basically, if you can see, they do provide you guys two different heads to use. So whether you guys want to use this one or this one, that's up to you guys. This one mainly meant for people who want to use on carpet and other surfaces as well. And then the other one here for reaching hard to reach places like corners and cracks. And basically the way how you guys throw away the trash is by opening it like this. So I just want to twist it this way to unlock it and take it out. And see, this is basically what the inside looks like. So for this filter right here, you can actually take it out like this. So once you guys take it out, you can actually replace this or rinse this off. And they mentioned how you actually probably rinse it off regularly to actually keep the product clean. So once you guys take all this out, then you actually pour out the trash like that, which is pretty simple. And then once you got it done, just close it back up like this and lock it back in. And then you guys are all set. So as you can see, the product is actually really small and super compact, and it is super lightweight as well. They mentioned how it's around like 1 pound when you guys actually carry this product, which is super light. And in terms of the battery life that's on here, how long does it take to charge and how long does it last? So they mentioned it should take anywhere from 2.5 hours to 3 hours to fully charge it from 0 to 100. And then the max runtime is 20 minutes on this product. And for this vacuum, you guys will only use it on dry areas. Do not use it on wet areas because it will not work. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go test this out and show you guys how to charge it real quick, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, when you guys plug in the cable to recharge the product, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So you can see they have a red indicator right here to show you guys when it's charging. And we have the product charging right here. So basically when the product is fully charged, the light will change green. And that is basically how you guys know when the product is fully charged. But let's test out the vacuum and see how it works. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is open up this part right here first. So you definitely use this head, or you can use the other one that we provide for you guys right here. So all you need to do is stick it in like this. And definitely use this head, or you can use this head right here. Just like that, if you guys want to use that option. So let's test out the product to see whether or not we can actually use it while it's charging. Alright, so definitely use the product while it's charging as well, but it's not recommended for you guys to use it when it's charging. But you definitely can if you guys want to. Alright, so see we have some here right here. Let's test that out. Alright, so you see that definitely does work. So for this option right here, we're probably going to use the brush option. Alright, let's test it out and see how it works. Alright, so that definitely does work, but let's try it without the brush. Alright, so definitely use it without the brush, but it actually works a lot better if you guys do use the brush because it lifts it up a little bit. Because when you guys are using it without the brush, it's basically sucking up the cloth instead of the hair, if you can see. If you guys can see, it won't get all like the hair and stuff unless you guys lift it up and then go again, compared to when you guys do the brush. If you guys want to use it without ending the head, you definitely can as well. So just like this. So definitely the overall part definitely does work, but let me show you guys how to throw away the trash. Alright, so what you want to do is open up this part right here, and you want to take out this filter right here and pour out the trash. And then once you guys get rid of all like your dust or your pet hair and everything out from the actual product, then you actually put it back inside right here. So just like this. And close it back up right here as well. And you guys are all set to use it again next time. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys have a quick test of the product and definitely see it actually does work and actually works quite well. I really like how small and compact the vacuum is as well. So you can basically use it almost anywhere once it's fully charged. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality vacuum that's cordless as well to use basically anywhere. Like I mentioned, if you guys want to use it in your bedroom, your living room, your car, or even an office, you can definitely bring this anywhere as you want to, as long as the product is fully charged. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.